Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited because I have been waiting for this to come in for a long time. I ordered this on the first release of the palette. It has now been restocked again. So, it's been a while since I've ordered it. But this is the NIkkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration palette. I love NIkkie Tutorials. I want to be her when I grow up, even though she's younger than me. That's okay, we're not going to talk about that. Anyways, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Hello guys, it's me, NIkkie. Hello. This is so fun. I love that they did a custom box for her. And because I was on the first release of the palette, I got this pop socket with it. I'm so excited. Like, you guys don't even understand how excited I am. So this is what the box looks like. I love the shimmer on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Ooh, what else is in here? Oh, this is cool. They gave Back to Beauty School. That's kind of cute. That's good for people who don't really know too much about skincare or makeup things. Yeah, that's really cute. Anyways, into why we're all here. Need a second. Okay. Oh, you guys. This is so, oh my God. We're just gonna start a drinking game now. Drink every time I say guys. Or, oh my God. Oh, guys, oh my God. This is beautiful. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. Oh, yes. Guys, this is so pretty. Yeah, I'm very much into this. Very much into this. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to do 2 different eyes so I can try the most amount of shades in this palette because this is beautiful. But like, can we just like take a minute? Like, so this is all in, and that, oh my, this is, so many people know NIkkie Tutorials did a collaboration with another brand and it did not go very well. The palette was not good quality. It was just not up to the standard that you would expect from NIkkie Tutorials. She's very well known in the beauty community and you would expect a product to be up to that kind of standard, but her first collaboration was not. So I know that this collaboration, I'm sure it was really hard for her to come out with another eyeshadow palette given what happened with the first one, but this already, with these 2 shades that I've swatched, the second one I swatched is Pride. This already surpasses the first one in every way, in packaging, in colors. Okay, I'm gonna start putting stuff in my face because that's why we're here. I think, I don't even know what to do. I mean, not that I ever really know what to do, but like, I really don't know what to do, guys. Take some tea. Think about my life choices. We're just gonna start doing things. I am gonna pin back my hair because it has a mind of its own today. Okay, I'm just gonna go into Basic Truth. This light transition shade right here. So I'm gonna go in with that first. So this is it's a really light shade. It doesn't really have much pigment payoff when you use it as a transition shade, but it did kind of even out the tone on my eyelid, so that's good. I really want to go into NIkkie, which is so sweet that it's named after her brother. I think I'm going to save that shade for my next Disney villain look. I don't know what to do. Okay, I know what I'm going to do for my first eye. I'm going to go into Amsterdam, which is this insane blue. Well, this scares me. I'm just going to start working that on the outer corner. So I like that these shades, I like that you need to build them up. Gives you a lot more control. A lot of times with bright colors, there's so much pigment, which these are very pigmented, but a lot of times they go patchy really quickly. These are not going patchy at all and are blending really beautifully. I'm really happy with how that builds up and blends out. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade Ew, which is the green shade of the palette. And I'm gonna put that center. That just melted into the blue so easily. I cannot, oof. Like this transition right here, I've never had eyeshadows blend that easily. Guys, like, oh. All right. Now, I'm going to take Blah, which is the very bright yellow. And I'm going to do the inner corner with it. Ooh, that's a lot of fallout. I am so pleasantly surprised with how these colors are blending together. Everything about this is what her first collab should have been. I'm really happy that it wasn't. Well, I'm not happy that it wasn't. I'm glad that it's coming out now. I can't get over this. This is so beautiful. I've never seen bright colors blend like this before. And I've had Jeffree Star palettes, which are pigmented, but don't necessarily blend together very well. And yeah, I'm just gonna shut up and keep doing my makeup. Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna take you again and I'm gonna go onto the lower lash line. Just on the section. where U is on the eye. And then I'm going to take Amsterdam on a smaller blending brush and put that on the outer edge. Okay, for the second eye, I'm gonna do a more neutral based eyeshadow look with a shimmery cut crease. So, taking new brushes, I'm gonna go in with Mila, which is this medium brown, really warm brown shade. And then I'm gonna go into 5 a.m., which is a darker brown. I really like the way those two are blending. That's actually not too bad. Blending those two colors definitely takes a little bit more blending, but it's actually not too bad once you do that. I do really like how there's no patchiness when you do layer layers on top of each other. There's some eyeshadows that almost begin to separate on the eye when you blend. When you blend them too much, or when you try and build them up like I did with the blue. It's actually really pretty. I'm very surprised with this palette. Now I'm just going to cut my crease on the side with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Okay, now on a flat brush, I'm going to go into All In, which was that really pretty shimmer that I swatched earlier. This is so pretty. Oh, the shimmer. And I really like that the foil, like, cause this is, I would consider it more of like a foil shadow. A lot of times foil shadows will go clumpy when you layer them. This is not going clumpy. This is beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh my God. I think this might be my new like travel palette. Cause she's got everything. Okay, so I'm going to take Mila again and just start doing the lower lash line. And take a little bit of 5 a.m. and just put that on the outer part. Okay, I'm gonna go do liner and lashes, and I will be right back to do final thoughts on this palette. And I'm pretty sure you already know. Okay, I am back. I have lashes on, and I just did like a nude liner and gloss, because you know, that's what NIkkie would do. Final thoughts on this gorgeous palette. Guys, My nails go with the palette. My final thoughts on this gorgeous palette. It is probably one of the best palettes that I have used in a very long time. Bright colors are very pigmented. They're extremely buildable and blendable. The neutral colors are the same. They blend out very well. They layer very well. I don't have any patchiness on any of the colors, which is so rare for a palette that has such a wide array of colors. It far surpassed anything that I expected. Definitely went into this not having very high hopes. Just with what happened with the last palette, it was not good. That had nothing to do with NIkkie whatsoever. Has to do with the brand that she did the collab with. So definitely doing this collab with Beauty Bay was obviously a really good move. And this is the first time I've ever tried anything from Beauty Bay. So definitely gonna be checking out more of their palettes. If they're this same quality, I'm definitely gonna be getting more of them. Love this. It is, yeah, it is insane. Definitely makes up for and surpasses anything that happened with the last one. I just love this packaging. Like, I can't get enough of it. The detail on it is so cool. There's the tombstone for makeup shamers, which I love. Everything about this is amazing. If it is available, definitely pick it up. I will link it down below. This shimmer is next level. It is beautiful. Yeah. And I'm very excited to use it more. Like I said, this red in the center, my next Disney villain video. So I think I'm gonna use the red for that look. I will see you guys in the next video, and make sure you like this video, comment down below, tell me what you wanna see, and subscribe to my channel because I am going to be doing a giveaway as soon as I get to 2,000. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.